In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate and manage your shopping cart on Shein. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just diving into the world of e-commerce, understanding how to efficiently use shopping cart features can make your experience much smoother and even more enjoyable. So let's dive right in and make your shopping trip a breeze. To begin, you'll want to head over to Shein's website. You can do this by simply typing Shein into your browser search bar or following any direct link you might have. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the home page, where you'll find a multitude of categories and a variety of products. But for now, let's focus on the task at hand, managing the items you wish to purchase. After navigating through the site and selecting the items you're interested in, you'll want to view your selected products by going to your cart. On the website, you should find a shopping cart icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon and you'll be taken directly to your shopping cart. Inside your cart, you will see all the items that you have selected so far. This is where the management of your potential purchase begins. Each item in your cart will give you a few key options to choose from. If you find something that you like but aren't ready to purchase yet, you can save it for later by adding it to your wish list. This is quite simple to do. Just look for the heart icon next to the item and click on it. This will remove it from your cart and store it in your wish list, where you can easily find it again. Another helpful feature within the cart is the magnifying glass icon. Clicking this allows you to find similar items to what you have in your cart. It's a helpful tool if you're considering alternative styles, prices, or color options. It essentially broadens your shopping choices with just a click. Lastly, if there's an item you no longer wish to purchase, you can easily remove it from your cart. Look for the trash icon next to the item you want to delete. A simple click will remove it from your cart, helping you keep your orders neat and tailored to your exact wants. And that's all there is to it. These simple steps will improve your shopping experience and ensure that your cart contains only the items you truly want to buy. Whether you're finalizing your order or window shopping for future purchases, a well-managed cart can make all the difference. Happy shopping, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more shopping tips and tricks in the future.